Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Genie Coder. If you guys are new here, I pretty much do leetcode stock questions and explain things in the simplest way possible. Today we have a pretty good problem. So let's read it real quick, right? So he says, this is end to practice traversing list. Giving a pointer to the head, right, node, right, of the linked list, right? Print each node's data, one per line, right? It says if the head pointer is not indicating the list is empty, right? There's nothing to print, right? So pretty interesting, right? So let's yeah, so pretty much guys, know this is a very simple introductory linked list problem, guys. So this is very good when you're starting out with linked list, guys. So they pretty much want us to print the node, right, one per line, right, which is very good, guys. So we can easily do that, right? It says the first line of the input contains n, right, the number of elements in the linked list, right? The next n lines contains one element on each the div out for each node, right? Do not read input from, it says complete the print linked list function, right? So yeah, so yeah guys, pretty easy. So that we could easily do that. So right now we're gonna get this as an input, and then we're gonna print 16 and 13, right? 2 meaning there's 2 nodes, right? And then we print those out right there, guys. So pretty straightforward. So this is like a pretty easy linked list traversal. So pretty much guys, you know what I like to do, I like to, you know, we do this right singly. We get a pointer, right? We take reference to the head, right? And then guys, what I'm saying, we gonna iterate through, right, head, right? And as we're doing that, guys, right, so I take reference to the head, right, because we get a reference to it right here, right? And then what we're gonna do, guys, since we're so we're gonna print every node, right? I'm saying that's what it tells, that print, right? So we gotta print cure dot data, right? That's the data, right? So the linked list node is defined right there, right? It tells us exactly what it is, so we don't have to, you know, kind of guess, right? And then once we print it out, guys, we do cure. So we need to move forward, right? So go on to the next node, guys. So we do cure, you go to cure dot next, right? To go on to the next node, right? I'm saying that the next node is gonna print data. And then once we get to the end of the list, right, we're gonna print that, right? So let's press run code, see if we are good. Looks like we're good. So let's press submit, guys. All right, pass all the test cases, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel, guys. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.